This video is showing how to evaluate powers first, and then also evaluating an expression given a specific value for a variable. We'll start with evaluating powers. There are two examples up here, or two possibilities. Let's start with the first, where we're evaluating -5. The number -5 to the fourth power. By definition, this is -5 times -5 times -5 times -5. We could do this, order of operations says do this left to right. -5 times -5 is +25 times -5 times -5. 25 times -5 is -20. 125 times -5. And so finally we have a negative times negative. This is 625. Oops. $625 positive. It's an even power, and you raise a negative number to an even power, it'll be positive. If you raise it to a negative, to an odd power like 3, we would be at a -125. Anyway, point is, that is +625. Okay. Now, a common error is to look at this second expression, -5 to the fourth, and think that this should come out to be the same thing. The way the notation works, though, is this power, the fourth power, is for what is immediately before. Up above, what was immediately before was what's in parentheses, the -5. But what's raised to the fourth power here is just the 5. The negative, let's put a different sign out here, or a different color. It's really -5 to the fourth. 5 to the fourth is 625. But that negative sign is still there. So this is -625. If you put this on your graphing calculator, this is exactly what you'll get with this expression. And it's the calculator is doing exactly what it should do. This is the correct answer. Pay careful attention to this. This is a very common error that students often make in many expressions, thinking negative, typing this into a calculator and presuming that the answer is exactly what they want, when really this is what they're trying to this is what you're trying to evaluate. A -5 raised to the fourth power is +625. So make note of that. Okay, so let's go on to this other expression. 3m squared plus 5m minus 12. A quadratic expression when m equals -4. Now, a key point here, early in the semester, please be sure to make substitutions. When you're substituting a value for a variable, use parentheses. So as we substitute, this is going to be 3 times, and let's put in parentheses, this is -4. Plus 5 times, and here's our substitution, -4 plus, oops, colors are kind of mixed up, but let's go back here. This was minus 12. Well, the first thing, oops, and this is squared. The first thing we do is evaluate the power. So this is 3 times 16, -4 times -4, plus, and in this term we have -20, and then minus 12. Order of operations says we will evaluate this this product here. 3 times 16 is 48, plus a -20. Let's just say that's minus 20, minus 12. Now we're going to do left to right. 48 minus 20 is 28, minus 12, and 28 minus 12 is 14. Take it a step at a time, use order of operations, and you'll be just fine.